What areas do you serve? We're based in Parkland County, and we cover the Greater Edmonton Area. Same flat rate everywhere, and no travel charge anywhere we serve. Spruce Grove Furnace Cleaning, Stony Plain Furnace Cleaning, Edmonton Furnace Cleaning, St. Albert Furnace Cleaning, Sherwood Park Furnace Cleaning, Leduc Furnace Cleaning, Devon Furnace Cleaning. Same crew, same price list, all 7. And that's not just the city signs. We build pages for the neighborhoods too, 154 of them across the region, from Erin Ridge in St. Albert to Summerwood in Sherwood Park to Stoneshire in Spruce Grove. If your community isn't on that list, it usually just means we haven't written its page yet. Not that we won't come. Not sure if you're in range? Call and ask. 7809-327337. Every community we cover is listed at homeprosgroup.com. Home Pros Group. Quality you can trust.